Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video episode of CoinSutra. And today I want you to know about this new upcoming project called Rango Exchange. And I'm pretty sure all of you are going to love this. Now, if you're part of CoinSutra Telegram group or Discord group, you might be aware of AnySwap, which I've talked about earlier last year when the project was about $1.5, and right now the project is priced at $16. It went up to $21, and the point is, like, there are so many chains now that moving token from one project to another is a challenge. And this kind of aggregator or this kind of project multi-chain exchanges are solving this problem. Now AnySwap is one of those platform, but if you look at, which has actually been rebranded to multi-chain recently. So, AnySwap and multi-chain are the same thing. They have rebranded to multi-chain. Now here you can see, like, you connect to your wallet and then you select the chain from which you want to convert your coin. Let's say you want to move your Bitcoin from Ethereum chain to Phantom chain or Binance Smart chain. You can do that using multi-chain. How convenient is this? Now imagine if you have to convert your USDT to Bitcoin or your UST, that is the stablecoin on Terra, to Bitcoin permissionlessly without KYC. Can you do that? Well, this is what multi-chain or even Rango Exchange offers. Now, the beauty of Rango Exchange is like the multi-chain DEX aggregator. So it creates the complex route for you to convert any coin to any coin. For example, if you have UST or USDT and you want to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum from that without any KYC, without any exchange, you can do that using Rango Exchange. Using the platform is very easy. So you can just simply click on Open App, and once the app is open, you can connect with your wallet. So it supports a lot of this wallet. You can just connect with XDeFi wallet, MetaMask, Terra Station, Kepler, Binance chain, and Ledger wallet is not yet fully supported, but somehow it is, like, it's partially supported. So maybe in the future we'll see fully fledged support for Ledger wallet. Anyway, so once you have selected the wallet, for example, let's say we select Terra and then we select UST from Terra chain, and then we select BTC, the native BTC, right? And let's say we put in $42,000. Now this is where things get very interesting. Okay, so it will create a complex route for you to convert your USD into Bitcoin, even if that means it has to go through multi-blockchain to convert first USD into, let's say, USD into USD BSC, then USDT BSC, then USDT AVEX, then USDT ETH, then ETH, and then BTC. Of course, it's a complex route, and then hence there is a cost to it. And the arrival time is about 40 minutes. Now we did a small test to find out how accurate this is, and it works fantastically. Now this is a great platform which I believe will be growing over the period of time, and they might have an airdrop in the future for their token called Rango, which they're still finalizing the details of it. Most likely they will launch it on Terra ecosystem via an IDO, which is something that you should pay attention to, because the tokenomics are not out yet, like how many tokens would be there, what would be the construction of the token. But I believe, like, that is something you should pay attention to, like the way AnySwap has grown from like $1 to $21. It has great potential from the project wise. Now the tokenomics will decide, like, if you should be investing in this project or not. But more than that, like, for your regular need and for the people who are into decentralized finance, they would find this project very interesting. So Rango Exchange is something that you want to pay attention to, something that you don't want to miss on. And do check out this platform. Let me know what's your initial thought about using Rango Exchange. And if you know of such similar multi-chain DEX aggregator, let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, with that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. This is Harsh.